The vocabulary word we are exploring now is splash. Splash. Picture jumping into a swimming pool on a hot day and water flying everywhere. That burst of scattered liquid is called a splash. It can describe water movement, sudden color, or even a lively entrance. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story. Meaning of splash. Splash means the scattering of liquid in drops or waves, often caused by something hitting a surface. It can also mean a vivid display of color or attention. Examples: the kids made a big splash in the pool. She added a splash of red to the painting. The celebrity's arrival caused quite a splash. Short story. On a rainy afternoon, Maya and her little brother wore their boots and ran outside. They jumped straight into a large puddle, making a huge splash that drenched their clothes. Instead of scolding them, their mother laughed from the doorway, enjoying their joy. Later, Maya painted a picture of that day, adding a splash of bright blue to capture the puddle. The word splash reminded her not just of water, but of happiness and creativity too. Sometimes, a simple splash can create memories that last a lifetime.